Come down onto your front. Allow your body to settle into the mat. Let your forehead rest and notice the natural contact of your body with the floor. Slide your hands back underneath your shoulders, elbows drawing gently in towards your ribs. Before you lift, feel the weight of your pelvis, your legs, your feet. Let your legs be long behind you, taking the sit bones down towards your heels. Tops of the feet pressing lightly into the mat. On your next inhale, begin to gently peel your chest away from the floor, not by pushing into your hands, but by drawing the chest forward and slightly up. The crown of your head is reaching forward and upward, creating space through the front of your body. Keep your hands light, almost as if they could hover. Let the effort come from the back of your body, the muscles along your spine waking up. Notice your shoulders, allow them to soften gently away from your ears, back and down, collarbones broad, chest open without strain. Your gaze is soft, slightly forward and down, keeping the back of your neck long. Take a breath here, feeling the front of the body gently opening and the back of the body gently supporting you. And then slowly lower, melting back down to the mat with control.